Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can change the P6 program into the Excel by the color coding format. I'll just open a I'll just open a program which is in the P6. So I'll just open this program here. You can see it. It does not have any WBS label. I think it doesn't have. So I'll close this one. I'll open the another one. Okay, just open this program. See, we try to export this program in the Excel sheet with the color coding. If we just copy and paste it in the Excel, it does not show any color coded. It does not have any color coded. It just show the simple format for you in the program. So I'll show you something which we can do, make it color coded for the stakeholder. It will be easy for them to understand what is our WBS label and can differentiate the program and the WBS label. Okay, so I'll just close this one. Don't want to save. I have already downloaded one file. I'll provide you link on it. If you just copy the Excel file on it, paste it, you will get your WBS label here. It will be easy to understand. If you want to make more WBS label and check it, just enter. Sorry, I just want to add more. If we add more here, we can add more here. We can add. Okay, I'll not give the name for it. I'll just add the activities for it. Add it, add it, and now we'll check it how it will be, how it will show in our Excel. I'll just copy it. I'll just paste it here. You will get your WBS label in the color coded. By this way you can do it, and it will be helpful for the stakeholder to understand the WBS label, and also for the team to give the update for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, then like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for it. And also I will share the link to download this Excel file in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.